Hi guys, so today I will be unboxing this, and you might be thinking, what could be in such a small box? I haven't opened it yet, so let's go ahead and open it. I may have to do this off camera and then I'll come back and show you what's inside the box. Let me just open this part. Okay, so I'm back. I've got that part open. So now let's see what could it be. So this is what I'm unboxing. You may be thinking, what is that? So what it is a stand so that I can put my phone on. So when I'm doing my recording, the picture will actually be clear and there'll be no more shaky camera. So let me just open it and see how sturdy it is. So I've just had to use two hands to be able to open it to show you what it looks like, and this is what it looks like. It's quite nice, isn't it? Let's see, it looks quite sturdy as well, and it wasn't that expensive. I think I got it just under £10. So let's see what it looks like with a phone on top. It is very, very sturdy, and I think it's an excellent purchase. And what you can do, you can even pull this up and you can rotate it quite easily. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing, and if you're thinking of purchasing something like this, I will leave a link for it in my description box so you can get yours. See you on next video, guys. Subscribe if you like this video and you'd like to see more videos like this. Please subscribe, turn your notification bell on so you won't miss any more future uploads. I've enjoyed doing this video. I hope you've enjoyed watching it, and I will see you on the next one. Thank you very much. Bye. I hope you liked my unboxing, and I hope